We're a great bunch, and we all have the same interest. I joined the museum in December 2018, and I've been here now almost 5 years, and it's amazing how time has flown in. Every day coming in, meeting and greeting people from all over the country and all over the world, and seeing their experience of the museum and Dundee in particular. And it's all been very, very positive. I've always had a keen interest in transport all my life, and I thought this was a good place to come and see the museum progressing. Meeting like-minded people, as I said earlier, and just see how the museum progresses and the exhibits change from time to time, and just being part of an enthusiastic group of people and just enjoying the experience, sharing experiences of transport and just life in general. We're a great bunch, and we all have the same interest.